Hello everyone. Now I'm going to make a tutorial on JSTOR. JSTOR is a great database to get peer-reviewed articles. So I'm going to click on the databases here. I'm going to click on J and go to JSTOR. I'm going to start with my search string. You can enter your search string in this box, or you can click on Advanced Search. That will open it up. I know quite a few of you have internet and privacy as your topic for this class, so I'm going to use that. Typed it in. I'm going to click submit. Now in JSTOR, they will do the nesting for you and quotation phrase searching for you, which is great. But you can always add that in yourself too, or quotations, so that it searches exactly for that and doesn't separate the words. So as you can see, there's 21,000 roughly resources that come up. So we're going to go over here to the left-hand side and we're going to refine our results by using some limiters. So I'm going to click on journals, and then I'm going to put publication date in, and then I'm going to click apply. And that brought it down to about 8,000. So you can just scroll through these until you find something you like, or you can add terms to narrow it, which would significantly reduce this. You can sort by relevance, the newest to the oldest. I'm just going to click on this top one here. And as you can see, this one's 25 pages. So yeah, these are definitely peer reviewed when they get very long and they have lots of research in them. If you go over here to the left-hand side, the stable URL is right here. This is what you're going to use as your permalink or DOI. You can cite right there. You can just download it and read it on your computer, or just read it right here by clicking the pages. Yeah, this one is very lengthy. When you do an annotation for your peer reviewed, you don't have to read the whole thing. I'm going to show you at the end the quick way of doing annotations for longer works like ebooks and peer reviewed. So don't worry, you don't have to read the whole thing. But so this is just an idea of what you can get in JSTOR. You can just keep scrolling, or as I said, you can add more terms to narrow it. You can also choose a category or a subject over here on the left-hand side. Sometimes if there's a special area you want to focus in, you can always click on that, and that will turn up where your resources are in that subject area. Let's data privacy and protection. Let's click on that one. This one's only 8 pages, so this one's not as long, but again, you would use this stable URL, and then here's your citing information. And there was also a citation button on the front page as well. Right here. So JSTOR is really good to get peer-reviewed articles, especially if you're doing anything with literature. If you're taking English 102, 103, world literature, even English 101, you can find great articles in here, great peer-reviewed articles that I think they're the best actually compared to all the other databases. But sometimes you can find the same articles in each database too, so it just depends. But this one is definitely the best one for peer-reviewed articles if you are really looking for something in depth and something with heavy literature review in it. Okay, so if you have any questions, email me about this site too.